Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring Python 3. X is ready and the SQLite 3 module is available. Open or create the database file immediately with SQLite 3. Connect MyData, DB so you're working in context. Once connected, get a cursor, cur equals con, cursor, which lets you run SQL. If you need relational constraints, enable foreign keys with pragma foreign keys equals on. Make sure to set isolation and row factory options now if you need dict-style rows. This prepares you for the next steps. Now define your schema and handle data safely. Create tables with create table if not exists and choose types like integer, text, real, add unique or check constraints where appropriate. Insert and update using parameterized queries such as cur. Execute insert into tcall values, value to avoid injection and quoting errors. Commit changes with con. Commit. If an exception occurs, catch it and call con. Rollback so you don't corrupt state. Once structured, use iterators or fetchall/fetchown to retrieve rows for processing. Finish by applying advanced settings and preparing for deployment. If you want dict-style rows, set con. Row factory equals SQLite 3. Row so you can reference columns by name. For concurrent readers and writers, enable WAL with pragma journal mode equals WAL and set a sensible timeout on connect. When done, always close cursor and con to flush locks. If you hit a locked database error, make sure to close other connections, check file permissions, and verify you're not leaving transactions open. That single check resolves most failures.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.